here's the light bar. So first, in order to mount this, we're gonna have to remove the roof skids. We're gonna have to remove these 2 screws and these 2 in the back. That way we will be able to just remove this, and we will follow the same process as for the previous model. Okay, so we have it removed already. In the previous model we had these 2 of these holders. It only has 1 position there. In the newer one we have 2 positions because a lot of you are using different bodies, so you will need to put it in different positions. For the Mojave we will use this one, not the outer one, this one, the inner ones. Okay, so first, about the color lenses, you can actually put the 2 white here. You can make all white, or you can combine with the amber ones. Let me show you one of the lenses here. This is the white one. You can actually put white here. That's up to you. Okay, so let's put this in. We put this here and we screw it in. Okay, let's put the other one. There we go. You can actually use some nuts. Okay, so next we're gonna have to put this right here. We're gonna use those 2 holes. So let's just put this. Let me just remove these wires from here. You can pass the wires later through those gaps. Okay. So we put it there. Let's go the other way so you can see it better. Like so. And we're gonna use the long screws. Put them there. The other one too. And there we go. We have the light bar mounted. Now we have to pass the wires through somewhere. Okay, like so. We have to reassemble these. I'm just gonna skip that process off camera. Okay, so we have all the screws back in. The best way to pass the wires, in this case, you can pass it through there. Open this up and pass it through there. Then you can just zip tie it there. Same to the other one. Right there. You're not gonna be able to see this because we have to put it here, there, and then we have to put the screws back in here, 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 and also in the roof, the skid ones.